Model 2013 Citroen Relay Boxer 35L3 Diesel 2.2 HDi H2 van 130 PS Body, white, panel van mileage, 69,580 engine, 2,198 cc 4 HDi transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Still starting idles perfectly. Also there is a crunch when selecting fourth gear, definitely worth repairing as it's a nice low mileage example. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail.